run it already. It takes everything to run.
Exactly. Felt that one.
Stabbed myself. I know it's cut.
Look at the blood.
Mine's on the fucking blade.
The blade's seen a lot of blood.
Not yet, actually. I haven't been used in 3 years.
Basically, that's a 26 cc, 29 cc weed eater curb. You have a 49 cc weed eater motor on a homemade,
not homemade. It is bought
scooter. And what we figure is the curb
is fucked.
It's totally screwed. So we decided to tear apart a 29cc weed eater that was lying around, steal the carb off it, and see if we could get it to work. So far, well, we're making it. It teased us, it farted, it spurred, and now we're just making a homemade gasket out of bike inner tube, actually. I'm going to go aside and do the other one. See what I'm thinking? Oh, yeah. See.
We double layer it. Go through the other cars.
So I don't know if you guys can see it right about there. It's the jet, one of the main jets that goes into the motor for the gas oil mixture. There's the gasket.
Yeah, the original.
Which is the original gasket. I don't even know if you guys can see it. Yeah, there you go. There's a tiny pinhole for that jet. And we're just kind of creating a new one over here.
Sunday fuck-ups today. Just fucking around with something.
Pretty much. Redneck for you.